Well, after searching the internet, trying to find a used set of side mirrors, I come across this guy. He's asking $1,000 a piece retail price for a set of mirrors that are over 10 years old, used. Then I find these set, which is off of a 04 Silverado. Alright, so I found these guys. Like I said, they're off of the 04 Silverado. Mine have the turn signals on them. As you can see, these ones don't, which is what I wanted. One of them stopped working, which would be my passenger side. Stopped working, and it costs close to $200, which I don't want to spend on just the glass. So I went and bought these ones for $120 for the set. Might as well delete it, get rid of my turn signal, and I'll install them. Let's do it. All you'll need for this installment today is just one 7mm socket along with one 10mm socket, and that's all you'll need today. Let's go install this. Better. Okay, and first you're going to start off with this little guy here. Start from the top. Go off just like that. Here you got your 3 screws, 3 mounts. And you can see that the wire goes in behind the door panel, so door panel will have to come off next. I'll show you. Pull from the bottom. Okay, I have to skip that, but nice. We got these tabs here. Pull on this guy. Easier if I had access to both hands, but holding the camera in one hand while trying to do everything with the other hand. Who said guys can't multitask? Myth busted. And just another tool I forgot to mention, you need a flathead screwdriver just to get behind your lock button here. Pop that out. Screwdriver's seen better days. And this is where your 7mm socket comes into play. You got this guy here, focus, and this guy here, right under your door handle. This guy's located right behind your lock switch. Just take them off. Also, don't forget to take this guy off. It's come off with a pull. Take it off. And we'll get stuff. There you go. Good. Now that everything's free, you should be able to just lift the door and pull it off. There you go, your harnesses and wires off. Light harness down here that you got to take off, which is just wire. Okay, now you got the door panel off. You're gonna want to come over here, switch your socket to a 10mm, and remove. Alright, now that's that out. Let's put in the new one. I just want to add in here, when tightening, tighten snug, don't tighten too hard, so you could snap something. It is held on only by plastic, but anyways, back to installing. And now that I had the door off, look at my speaker here. It looks like water is seeping through somewhere. I don't know, I'll have to replace that speaker in the future sometime. But it's not today. I got everything. Time to put the door panel back on. Yeah, once you're sure that you have everything, door panel back on, nice and secure, nice and snug, just kind of pulling everything, make sure it's holding where it should be holding, and then you can put your screws back in. buttons. Success. Alright, so once you got one side, it's pretty much the same on the other side, so I'll do the other side, you guys can watch in fast play. Let's do it. Success. Alright. So. Alright. Installed. Not a fan of chrome, but don't have to worry about the turn signals. These wheels, though.